Students, yesterday we have started with the linear equation in two variables. Now we have studied what is mean by equation, what is mean by variable and constant. Today we are going to start or we are going to study about the more about this. Yesterday we have studied that whenever the linear equation is given, it consists of x, y and some constant. So its standard equation is given as ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a, b and c are the real numbers. Now we will try to find out the solution of a linear equation in two variable. Before that, what is mean by the solution? Solution is the values of the variables satisfying the equation. Now in yesterday's video, we have seen one linear equation, correct? And in that case, we have said that it is a solution. So for a linear equation in one variable, it has only the one solution. Now we will check how many solutions the two variable can have. For that, we will take one example. Let the equation be 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. Now as we want to find out the solution, it means we have to find out the value of this variable x and y. Now here if I'll for that we will take a certain values of x and we will try to find out the values of y, and that values of x and y will called as the solution. First let us take x is equal to 0. Now if I take x is equal to 0, we will replace x is equal to 0 in this equation. Naturally what I will get? 3y is equal to 12, and so I will get the value of y is 4. And so 0 comma 4 is the solution of the above equation. But is it only a single solution? Because they have not mentioned whether to take x is equal to 0. I have taken x is equal to 0. Anybody can take other value of x, and as the other value of x I will get another value for the y, and then that will be also the solution. So this is one of the solution. We'll not say it is only one solution, it is one of the solution of the above equation. Now we will go for the another. I have taken x is equal to 3. If I x is equal to 3, what I will get? 2x as 6. So what value of 3y? I will get 12 minus 6, that is a 6. So I will get y is equal to 2. So 3 comma 2 is also the solution of the equation. So here we get one solution, here another solution. So what it indicates? It can have many solution. The values of x can be negative also. If anybody will take a negative value of x, we will get another solution. So the solution is nothing but the values of variable which satisfies the equation, and in this case we may get more solutions. Now the question asked on this, as it has many solutions, the question asked or it is given in your textbook, find the 4 solutions. So we'll now go find the 4 solution to the equation 2x plus y is equal to 7. 4 solution, it means we have to take 4 different values for x, and for that values of x we will try to find out the value of y. Now if x is 0, what will happen? 0 plus y is 7, so my value of y is 7. Now another value I will take, x is 1. When I will take x is equal to 1, what I will get? X 2 into x 1, that is a 2, plus y is 7. So what is the value of y? This 7 minus 2, and so y is equal to 5. So first when x was 0, y was 7. When x was 1, y is 5. Now the third, when x is 2, replace x is equal to 2. 2 2s are 4. So we will get it as 4 plus y is 7. So y is equal to 7 minus 4, and so y is equal to 3. So the third solution we get 2 comma 3. Now I will take x is a minus 1, because we can take negative also, not necessary that always positive. So I have taken x is equal to minus 1. So when we multiply 2 into minus 1 will becomes a minus 2. So minus 2 plus y is 7. So y is equal to 7 plus 2, and it indicates y is equal to 9. So one solution was 0 comma 7, then it was 1 comma 5, 2 comma 3, and minus 1 comma 9 are the four solutions for the given equation. So if we take different values of x, more values of x, I will get the different values for y, and they will also be the solutions. So every linear equation in two variable has infinite solution. That you have to remember. Whenever it is a linear equation in two variable, it has always infinite solution. Now the first question, if you open your textbook and 4.2, first question, they have asked this only, how many solutions it can have. So that is a 4 solution. Second equation, they have asked to find out 4 solutions for the different equations. So you can solve that also. That was also easy. Now we will go for the further part. To check the order pair is a solution or not. Just we have studied. What is mean by solution? The values of x and y which satisfies the equation. Now here they have given the order pair, they have given the equation, and they have asked whether it is a solution or not. For that we will replace its values. Now to understand this, we will take one example. Check 1 comma 3 and 5 comma 2 are the solutions of the equation 2x plus 3y is equal to 16. So they have given the order pair and also given the equation, and they have asked to check whether it is a solution or not. Now for that, first when we want to check, we will check for first 1 comma 3, and whenever we want to check, first we'll just consider the left hand side. In an equation, there are two parts. This is called as a left hand side. This is called as a right hand side. In a left hand side, we will replace x by x coordinate and the value of y by its y coordinate. We will simplify. And if you get same as a right hand side, we say that it is a solution. And if we not, it is not a solution. Now we will start checking it. What is the left hand side of this equation? It is 2x plus 3y. Now what is the value of x? Is a 1, that is x coordinate, and value of y is a y coordinate, that is given as 3. Now replace 2 into 1 plus 3 into 3. So the left hand side will be, this is 2 plus 9. So that is 11. Now what is the given right hand side? The right hand side given was 16. Whether 11 is equal to 16? No. So as left hand side and right hand sides are not equal, 1 comma 3 is not a solution. So we have checked, that is a 1 comma 3 is not a solution. Another way to check, just replace x here, find out the value of y, and if it is other than 3, then we can say that it is a not solution. But this is the easiest way. Just replace the values in the left hand side, calculate. If your left and right are equal, is a solution. Not equal, not a solution. Here it is not a solution. Now we will check for the another part. 5 comma 2. Let us check for 5 comma 2. Same way, first we'll write the left hand side, 2x plus 3y. Replace x as 5 and y by 2. So ultimately what we get, 2 5s are 10 plus 3 2s are 6. So that is equal to 16. The RHS was also 16, and because of that we get left hand side is equal to right hand side. That indicates 5 comma 2 is the solution. It's very easy. Just replace the value and do the calculation. If both are equal, is a solution. If both are not equal, it is not the solution. So that is a question 3 of your exercise. Now the next question, that is the last question of your that exercise, is find the value of k. They have given find the value of k if 1 comma minus 2 is the solution of kx plus 3y is equal to 2k. Now what is the they have stated? That is a order pair is also given, equation is also given, and they have stated that it is a solution. As it is a solution, it should be satisfied by this point, and using that we will find out the value of the unknown k here. Now what is how to solve? Kx plus 3y is equal to 2k. 1 comma minus 2 is a solution. So replace x by 1, y by minus 2. Your left hand side will be equals to right hand side. So that is a kx plus 3y is equal to 2k. Just replace the values. Now simplify this. K minus 6 is 2k. Collect all the terms of k on one side. You can do by this, or I will collect all this on one side. So ultimately what I get? K minus 2k minus 6 is 0. Minus k minus 6 is 0. I will take negative sign common. So that will be k plus 6 is 0. And k is equal to minus 6. Or here also you can simplify this k shift on this side. K will be equals to minus 6. So they have asked to find out the value of k. K becomes a minus 6. And if we'll replace the k is equal to minus 6, then only this will be the solution of the equation. The question number 4 that is given, but the equation is different, point is different. I have just explained the method, and so hope you must have understood it and can solve a complete exercise, that is a 4.2. Immediately start solving it.